Hi guys, my name is Tia, founder of DelishFitLife.com and tasty recipe creator. My recipes are so simple and delicious that my Mexican Alfredo was featured in this 2012 Taste of Home Quick Cooking Annual Recipes Cookbook. Since then, I've recently adopted a plant-based lifestyle and I'm super excited to share recipes and lifestyle tips that make food and life delish every single week. If you want to learn more about how to eat more plants the tasty way, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Also, say hi in the comments below and I'll see you in my next video.